Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your Meta Quest 3 to your PC. Let's go right here. We have two options to do this. The first one, check the system requirements. Ensure please your PC meets the minimum system requirement for running VR applications with Meta Quest Link. Because if your PC is not compatible enough for it, then it cannot connect. Be sure it is the right PC for it. Then install the latest version of the Oculus app for PC. And you can find it on here as well, and that's how to do it. And then you go to the next step to get a compatible cable. Use a high quality USB-C cable. Preferable it's the official link, and you can find it on the website of Meta. You can buy the cable right here, and there's also the universal power adapter, as you can see, which you can use. Then connect the Quest 3 to your PC. Plug one end of the cable into your Meta Quest and the other port into your PC, and what you do then is enable the Oculus Link. Put on your headset, a prompt should appear asking if you want to enable the Oculus Link. Select enable or allow, and if no prompts appear, go to settings in your VR headset and then just go to quick settings, Oculus Link, and then you can link it. That's what you can do. And then you only have to launch the PCVR app. Open the Oculus app on your PC, which you have installed before in the first step, and then you have access to your PC's VR library and play VR games or apps like Steam VR. And that's actually how you can play all these games on your Meta Quest 3. There's also another option. The first one was for wired connection, and the second one is for wireless connection. Airlink. Set up your NAC, ensure your PC and Quest 3 are on the same high-speed Wi-Fi network. You really need high-speed network to run it smoothly. And then for best performance, connect your PC to the router via a Ethernet cable, and that's the best way actually to connect it. And then enable Airlink. So on your PC, open the Oculus app. You still have to install that on your PC. Go to settings and then beta, and then enable Airlink, and then put on your headset and go to quick settings and use the Oculus Airlink to pair it with your PC. This was also in step 1 as an alternative to connect it. And then select your PC from the list of available devices. Confirm the pairing code on both the headset and your PC, and then once you connect it, you can launch the VR apps from the Oculus app or Steam VR. And there are some tips for optimal performance. Use a direct connection to your router. No range extenders or mesh networks. Update the firmware. Make sure your firmware is up to date for as well the Oculus app Quest 3, and adjust your streaming settings in the Oculus app for optimal visuals and performance. And also, if you lower this and you have a slower network, then this could actually work and make it faster if you make it less heavy. That's actually how to connect the Meta Quest 3 to your PC. If you have any questions, please leave them below.